Good evening. We are tracking a violent tornado on the ground right now south of Oklahoma City. This is a confirmed large and destructive storm moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. If you are in more...
Engine 5, keep moving. Watch that pole. Copy, water's chest deep ahead.
Tornado on the ground, 1 mile north, moving east. Get everyone to the shelter now.
You heard him. Let's go.
The city where a massive tornado is tearing through the heart of the city right now. You can see it behind me. This is a violent, catastrophic storm. Winds easily over 150 miles an hour. Debris is flying.
Hey friends, if you subscribe and hit like right now, good fortune will find you tomorrow. Go ahead and join the journey when nature awakens.